and all who have property. I have every blood clot friend. That's why I'm a queen. Where I have every race clot category. I'm not telling us I'm all purpose. That's why I'm a bad arranged. I have God most of all. Where? Bad mind. Bad mind chasing I have new song, my husband. All who don't have no husband friend will have song with them wife is bad. A road. You think I never had a catch in a trouble, man? Yes, I am global. Oh, no, she in there. Yeah, I'm global for true. Go and leave me alone, man, my friend. I have immigration friend, every friend. Junkie friend, madman friend. I have some madman friend at Spain. Them not right to them sleepless. Them not even mad at home, them homeless. I'm a Spain friend and me and them talk about WhatsApp. Since I go to Spain, I know them and give them a number. Me and them sleeping at this lie down at the train station. Not the train station, yeah. What's the airport of Spain. Go and leave me alone. When I say I love blood clot bang around. When I go like when I smell your son, I love play. You smoke, make your mother say, my mother know everything when I give her when I fucking up to. My mother can't read me before me. She in there? You see, I can't trick BJ. I can't even trick BJ. If I tell BJ I lied today, but tomorrow she knows that's true. I me see a man. Tell her I say I lie me to tell. Go and leave me alone, man. She not in there. So where bread food in there? No man, call her. We not go there for bread food. You can't call her for me. I will tell them love. She never kill me. But tell her now while I go, say, me not go catch her trouble me, you know, fuck on all me a chat. My all purpose. Cause I say anytime I catch for something, all the father say go. Me discuss. But I take no check. Fuck that. And then after I got hear them, oh Queenie did shit.
Nah, iPhone.
No, this one no.
I said the iPhone.
Oh yeah. Thank you, husband. You still love me?
Yeah.
Thank you. I love you too. I love you more. After the semester, I did a little vacation. Remember, I am the queen. I'm your queen, and you have to appreciate me, okay? You do know I'm the queen, so please address me properly. Fuck that. Watch husband, some husband there. And this queen lady's gangster's husband. Yes. I'm glad man married this way. When a dirty blood clot man, they sit down and chat me. I want to choose the crutches girl. They sit down and chat me. I mean, make no man know I'm married to them. Go man, some man that even want to hold on with them. It's not my fault. Go. If I don't me for dead for that, me I dead for married. Leave me. Some man not dead for nothing. I'm going to kill up myself for my husband. Some man not kill up myself for nothing.
What
Yes, it's not so deep, sis. Stop it. It's not so deep, man. Calm down. Stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it. Well, I bad. I love bad. Stop bad. Stop it, bad. That's a viral bad. Stop it. Lover. Baby, stop it.
I'm a chance to come around and nice and if I have a dollar, I make my mother happy. If they are sad, when we sick, I couldn't even wash my clothes. I'm glad for the man when you see
that family mix up. Lover, me not in I balling something. What we can't ball so girl. Girl, my eye right now, me not have the time for ball.
Look, let me tell you this.
Come on town, come, listen. Come on here with me, sis. Lover, turn on that something. Turn on that woman there. Lover, listen to me, darling.
Listen to me.
Girl, I don't want to see another mood right now.
And you don't know the place. Me I go say to you, say, do
Lover, I'm up on my life, baby. Don't worry about that now. Yeah, but a normal something that, baby.
I said to Bush before we let her. Shana, I go up there going like a sheep, go from paradise, she spread out, feel the things that the who could have dead up a bad phone. It's because me know the boy them can spoil us, yeah? When them dead and them said to me, say, no, and I said, no, man, sharp man, say everything go bad, man. Shana, I never did ask nobody.
But sis. Me come look for you, yeah? After you fear one celebrity sister how long? And me come look for you, girl. Are you trouble? You know but sister, all your mom said to you say sometime, you don't need to run or left me. Fuck off. So why you run or left me and me and you go up there? Why you walk or leave me then? But the one I will go through things, sis, that's not the fucking point. I don't need trouble here. Yeah, but them do me things too. But listen, sis. Oh God. Girl. Love that lover. Lover. The whole I with too bad and terrible. I don't know why. I'm glad I accept some terrible awful. So when somebody be terrible back to your lover, but lover, you go like you're saying, stop it, man, cause I you say you trouble me when you upon my WhatsApp. The wall I with different. We got but the wall I with awful. Lover, you remember when you messaged me upon my WhatsApp and me trouble me and calm down, Queenie. You trouble me and I said, sis, remember, you're awful and terrible more than me. It's just because you know the internet and people. I like me, I tell you, so with the bomber clock now, your sister trouble you go and suffer. I should have beat up your pussy cloth. Me and I would have beat up your pussy cloth out there. Jesus Christ. Probably. Probably. Listen, the one I come out I see your mother. The one I come out I see your mother. Me I know a cocky road.
You know no. Then I go to them place if you not come here. If you not come here, me not go to them place.
Because
black sheep. Let me tell you what you say. My auntie are number one in my life.
Why? So because all of this dead. If you never carry up there. No, but that. Me don't know what do we stop for. You know, say if I may drive more to stop. But for me to do a pull up a while ago, I just saw my. No, I never want to stop. After she walk left me. Really? You know how much mile me drive come here? And take plane come here, boy.
A bomber clock me make you come over here. When me ready, me pack my bag and pack anything when me want and find Portmore BJ.
And then, bumbo clot, like she don't know your badness. And when you come in too long.
Let me tell you this. Me I want to say me love them and them no love me. Me no love nobody for what they can give me.
That's why you have to love yourself, because if you feel so weird.
Me I tell you, my opinion is that I think some big mic, you them big mic.
Carry on this, carry on this. Carry on this. Oh God, be a set me no pass. Watch out. Ooh, the more I'm older, the sweeter me. You know me I want sweet girl.
You me tell you.
It's not money issue that will cost over. That will cost over bad phone.
Please. I delete out of my head and come here and say it's done up this already. I don't have to send up to nobody.
Love it, baby girl, sis, darling. Fuck that, can you buy your queen to see me again? I don't look for you. By the time she cuss, I want young girl to come bad me up on WhatsApp. I know me there and she not pay me no mind.
Yeah.
about you take massage and a place where you come 24/7.
Leave the girl, make the girl take massage. I want to your girl. Go and leave. Love my sister, man. I leave the girl alone, man. And go, man. I'm tired of you know, lover.
The tired of the one blood clot.
Allah, your blood clot. You're not tired of your sister.
Because
today you cuss her and tomorrow you call her and say my sister will go on.
But I'm tired of her for truth, though. Because I come look
Me
for her.
not
She not
play
even
you,
pick the
no
breadfruit.
man.
She had to go up her father's place. And she carry me up there now.
I'm a blood clot lift you up on me and drive.
Don't blood clot mix me here. Oh.
No, me too, bumbo clot.
And me blood clot enough.
Mister, when we go to Dallas, we go buy Mr. Poke, we should have turned back, come pick the blood clot breadfruit. Them I don't go out, them I go there, no, yes, I come for bumbo clot.
My God. But you miserable more than me, man. Yeah, how much?
Boy, I show you something, you know. You see me? It's easy to forgive, you know. You don't know what I say? I only sometimes you tell me you're there for your life, sis. The half have never been told. If the man they in this and tell you something, you would have fucking drop down and take them and family and something. Yeah.
But, lover.
No, my sister, they are England, you know. Queenie, they are England no more 10 years, you know.
My life will end.
Queenie, I send Wally Pabari, you know. And I say, God bless you, and me go know, say, Queenie, I send Maria. Then me get one dress to wear out there, one shoes.
Yeah.
The life will end. This big.
My little brother named Andrew says, wickedness and call. 6 years, 5 years, my sister sent Maria.